Guohetec PMR 171, you can buy a DMR module that goes here. Okay, now it's not for the faint-hearted, they're very close together, the solder joints. This was just 4 screws to get this off, and by the way, that's a speaker. This just pulls off here. 4 screws, 2 screws either side. The outer case, which I think was quite straightforward, was also screws either side, and at the back, sorry, there was quite a few, sorry, it was a bit blurry. So at the back, and they're very obvious screws, there's about 8 screws at the back there, and it literally comes apart like a sandwich. And there it is. Now, if you want to fit the DMR module, it goes here. You do have to buy it separate. It's a good £100. It would go there. Okay. And this is what this side looks like. So, obviously you don't want to short them out. And who knows, you could probably just rest it on top and just warm it up. But I'm not really sure. But I mean, the pads are there. I'm going to ask ChatGPT on that one. But anyway, if you want to fit the GPS unit, because these are very good value when you buy them without the GPS and DMR, they're excellent. They're like Shack in the Box, VHF, UHF, all the HF bands. You can connect an Ethernet connector and completely control these with an app and with your PC. You know, the Ethernet is built into the unit. You think about the way that all the ICOM are going now with Ethernet. But it all comes with it. I mean, it's a small screen, lots of buttons, but because you can control it with your app, it's definitely a portable unit. There's a speaker here, fan here, solid construction. There's your GPS unit, plugs in, but it's underneath, so you have to take the 4 screws off, peel off this tape. There's a couple of ribbons, and then it all just sort of lifts away then. And then you could solder that and connect the GPS unit as well. But I thought I'd just show you. And yeah, it's all about what's your confidence in small soldering. And I'm going to, before I even attempt it, I'm going to show it to ChatGPT. I'll take photographs, which I can actually do now, of it like so. And I can hit the photograph button. And I'll take a photograph of this like so, and then gradually, don't rush into these kind of solder jobs if you don't do soldering that often, and see if I've got the confidence to do it. That will be part 3, 7.3.